Hello everyone, Gaurav this side. Saksham have introduced you regarding technical analysis in the first part of the video. Let's hop on to the second part of the video where we'll be analyzing Nifty 50 index which indicates broadly the Indian market. So I will be providing you the FIC's view on the Nifty 50. Let's hop on to the technical analysis aspect of Nifty 50. So here you can see Nifty 50 index chart. Saksham must have introduced you about the chart patterns and all, so you must be familiar about that. Let's hop on to the 15-minute time frame of the chart. So you can select the time frame from here. So it can be seen that Nifty 50 has been in a downward trend recently after seeing a support from 23750. So it has formed a base around 22816, which is around 22,800 level. Saksham must have introduced you about the support and resistance concept. So I would be providing you about the technical analysis. So today we would be learning about the indicators. So basically, indicators are a tool which eases out the technical analysis aspect of the market. It generally provides a view for taking a speculative move in the market. So let's move on to the first indicator. Yeah, so let's move on to the indicators basically. So I am using the Kite platform here. You must be familiar that Kite is a broking firm. So let's put an indicator. So I would show you how an indicator can be inserted into the chart. So first I would be introducing you about the moving average. Let's put the period to be 50 and yeah, it's done. So you can see a price line that's being shown on the chart. So basically what is a moving average? So moving average, you must have learned about mean in your earlier classes of schooling. So this is a simple concept which is used in the stock market also. So moving average is an indicator which gives you an idea about the trend of the market based on the price. So like we have used a 50-day moving 50 duration moving average here. So what does the 50 duration moving average does is it considers 15 minutes candles and which are then divided by 50 number, and it indicates some average price of 15-minute candles. So this price moves dynamically as the market flows based on the activity of the trading. Yeah, so 15-minute candles would be used here to predict the price. Like from this candle, the average price of this where the moving average is. It must have considered 50 averages in the past to calculate a specific point of price here. So that's why the indicator line moving average is showing here. So what does indicator do in the short term time frame is it acts as a support and resistance. So it can be seen as here the price has taken a break from the moving average, and it can be seen that since then it is the moving average price is acting as a resistance to the price, and once it has tried to break out the level of the moving average price, but it has again taken a fallen short of that because of the selling pressure in the market currently. Yeah, so let's move on to second indicator which I would be telling you about. So it's named as Bollinger Bands. I would show you how it can be put into the chart. Yeah, so let's first remove EMA to make it simplified. Yeah, so we have moved on to Bollinger Bands as of now. So what does Bollinger Band does is, I would tell you a basic definition of Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is an indicator which is based out of price only. Here it can be seen that you can see three lines are there. So the first line can be seen as a resistance. The second line is 20 SMA. I have recently told you about the moving average price, and this line is nothing just but 20 SMA. So it is 20 candles average price. The line is indicating that. and the lower band can be seen as a support, and Bollinger Band dynamically follows the price over the time frame. It can be seen that the lower band of the Bollinger Band, whenever the price strikes the lower band, a small bounce back can be seen into the market. So let's move on to how do we use Bollinger Band and how do we analyze a trend. So it can be seen that since here accumulation zone can be formed, and it is a resistance zone in the bigger time frame, and a selling pressure can be seen here, and the upper band is acting as a resistance, and a downtrend can be observed from 5th of February up till now. Let's see what happens on Monday. And also over the past period, I could also show you a uptrend. How does that work is, since 28th of January till 5th of February, there was a steady uptrend and a steady downfall has been seen. So in the 15-minute duration, we can see multiple movements and a downfall and upwardsness in the market due to the volatility in the market, which is due to the higher VIX currently. So let's hop on to a new indicator, which is third indicator for the video, which is super trend. Yeah. So super trend is an indicator that is based on price only. All the indicators are generally based on price. More indicators would be taught to you in the upcoming videos. So what the super indicator do basically is it provides buy and sell signal on the chart. It can be seen as wherever there is a red position going on, and when it diverts into a green position, a buy signal is being generated via the arrows. These arrow indicates buying and selling signal. The red signal basically indicates the sell signal, and the green signal indicates the buying signal. It is based on the price only, and the band in the selling side acts as a resistance so that the trade could be continued in the market. And the green line which is shown on the chart, it acts as a support for the Nifty 50 here. Yeah. So this was all for the indicators parts. Now let's move on to the Excel sheet, and I will give you an overview about the Nifty 50 position for the upcoming days and the brief analysis of today. So these are the few observations that can be seen during this time frame of the entire video. For the Nifty 50 chart, it can be seen that it's around 22,929 level, down 4.4%, indicating continued weakness. The three indicators as discussed shows the following views about the Nifty 50, and our prediction for Monday is since we have observed overselling condition, there may be a chance of recovery, but if selling continues, the index could go till 22750 without rebound. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for seeing the video. Please share your views.